Going on a trip for the first time? Or do you simply need extra help in planning your vacation to make sure everything goes smoothly? Worry not, this video will be your ultimate family vacation safety guide. Today, we'll explore the essential health and safety measures to ensure your family vacation is not only fun-filled but also worry-free. Before you embark on your adventure, remember to pack more than just sunscreen and swimsuits. Medical supplies, prescription medications, and a first aid kit should be on the top of your list. And hey, don't forget those reusable water bottles to stay hydrated. On top of the things to bring, getting travel insurance is also highly encouraged, especially when you're going on a family vacation abroad. Not only does it provide financial protection for the family, but also the most coveted peace of mind that no matter what happens, medical bills won't break the bank. Don't forget to check the health alerts your home country has for your travel destination. Make sure every member of the family is inoculated and that everyone has the necessary booster shots against the endemic diseases in a specific place. While enjoying the sun and sand, protect your family from harmful UV rays by applying sunscreen with adequate SPF. Remember, reapplication is key, especially after swimming. Dermatologists have recommended the ideal amount of 1/3 to 1/2 teaspoon worth of sunscreen for the face, or an equivalent of 2 fingers. Sunscreen is a must for places with relatively higher UV index rates. If your family loves hiking, biking, or any outdoor activity, make sure to dress appropriately and wear comfortable footwear. Carry a map, a fully charged phone, and some energy-boosting snacks. It is a rule of thumb to know the weather conditions of the place you are visiting so you can prepare accordingly. Going on a hike entails a highly different preparation from a trip to the beach. Having the right set of clothes and equipment will lessen the worries and doubts one has about their trip. Exploring new cuisines is a treat, but remember to be cautious about food safety. Opt for reputable eateries, drink bottled water, and avoid raw or undercooked dishes. Know who to ask. Talk to the locals and ask for their best recommendations. This is one of the ways your family will truly immerse themselves in the culture of the place. However, these recommendations should always be taken with a grain of salt, as a tourist's gut health is always different from a local's. In crowded places, like markets or tourist attractions, keep a close eye on your children. Designate a meeting point in case someone gets separated, and ensure your valuables are secure. Choosing safe accommodation is crucial. Check reviews and research the area's safety record. Keep doors and windows locked, and have a flashlight handy in case of emergencies. Familiarize yourself with nearby medical facilities. Having the local emergency numbers and a basic understanding of the local language can be immensely helpful. So there you have it, the ultimate family vacation safety guide. By following these health and safety measures, you can ensure that your family's vacation is not only enjoyable but also safe from start to finish. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. From all of us here, wishing you a fantastic, safe, and unforgettable family vacation.